Good morning. I wish you very nice day and we are very happy you are with us, our friend from heart. Thank you.
Me also. Good morning, everyone. Welcome here.
Bom dia, Portugal.
Bom dia, Portugal. So today I want here spaghetti, but this spaghetti is different. Iranian model spaghetti. I don't know, you know or no? First one, we have some soya with milk, mixed with milk. Little bit water.
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice.
I like it.
We should wait for soya. Okay, let's go.
I went garden. I catch my all vegetable to make lovely and multivitamin salad.
The name is garden salad?
Yes.
Okay.
Come, my garden. Come here. I need to feel you.
We have also here some ground beef. Should be mixed with soya.
I love it with soya.
I will show you later. Onion.
No.
You need onion? Some onion?
Yes, give me a little, please. As I want to make with everything salad. Piyanonun yanına ne haber? Bas şuru kردی.
başladın. Biraz danış şöyle.
مرغم داره با من صحبت میکنه. It's completely different kind she make.
Only Iranian model spaghetti.
Yeah, it's very lovely. I love it. I know what will come.
We have also some carrot for this spaghetti.
This for you.
Oh my God, thank you very much, darling. And also some sweet paper for inside my spaghetti. ایرانیای عزیزمون خودشون میدونن این اسپاگتی چیه. دیگه ایرانی نگفتم برای که همه میشناسن. دیگه میدونن مدل درست کردن
روش ایرانی خوشگل خودم. ولی خب ما میخوریم میگیم به به ماما میه بلش اسپاگتی. اصلش از ایتالیا است که باید یه ماما میه.
حالا بیا یه دونه اینو بخور ببین چجوریه.
اینم میخورم.
آره بابا. یادم رفت به اون هموطنان ترک زبون خودمون سلام علیک کنیم. Hoş gelmişsiniz bizim bağımıza. Durud, hamvatanlar, hamdillah. Hoş gelmişsiniz.
Hoş gelmişsiniz. چه فحوال نوار نیو. تعریف اینجورا.
Merhabalar olsun size. Batıda ne cürah?
بدد ما وقت بکنیم.
Beter meşgulsan ha. Vaktin yok da sen yiyesen.
سالاتم در چه حاله؟ در حال رنگ با رنگه.
Finish?
My finish. After then I going to put one special sauce.
I am finished also.
من رفتم که رفتم نه دستمال داره فرار.
My soya, I think, is ready for remove the milk. After remove the milk, should wash, put washing. Should remove all water. Should be dry.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wow, thank you so much. Oh,
There.
coffee. My love.
My love is flower.
My love cup.
My love coffee.
Okay, thank you.
Very nice. Very hot.
واو چقدر خوبه.
لم بدیم.
لم بدیم تو هوای نسیم بهاری.
Let's go.
For you.
For me.
Yes.
Good.
First we have
Meat.
ground beef. Put inside and mix it very well with soya.
I like more soya.
And little bit add something salt, little bit, just little bit.
Very nice.
Also add little bit cocoa.
Look
Just
at this.
okay. Okay.
So, is that? So then, drink coffee.
And mix very well. Look at this.
Looks like it's going to be yummy.
Yummy.
Delicious. Eh, bon camarade, bon camarade, bon.
This is ready, finished for cooking and eating.
Very hot.
We need oil, olive oil, of course. We need some more olive oil because soya need too much oil. And put onion, garlic, dry. I think it's ready for add soya and granite. Fry well, fry it very well. So it is ready. Turn add carrot and sweet pepper and chili pepper. So all is ready. Need add some salt, some cocoa, add black pepper and chili also for myself. And little bit, more little bit, nutmeg. So mix it well and put some tomato paste, some ketchup because become very delicious and yummy. Maybe a little bit more tomato paste. 2 spoons full, I think. And finally need some water for well cooking. Okay. Go to cook well. So this also is ready finished. Turns of water for boiling from spaghetti. We need to add some curcum and some salt. Curcum was for beautiful color, just for beautiful color. So boiling and turn up the spaghetti. Put inside. Okay, we should waiting for well cook. So this is also ready. Finish. After remove hot water, should be washed cold water. So ready for finally little bit oil. And add saffron for beautiful color and pop. Add little bit salt and this turns spaghetti. Again turn the spaghetti and again put this. For cooking, last part, put some water. Just little bit. Finish.
Well, we have here our salad. We're going to put some salt, little, because we have sauce. This sauce I make at home, but I need to finish. Next time if I make this sauce, I will share with our friends all. And also is hot with chili and some also lemon juice as usual. Okay, just mix and make yum. That's all. It's ready. Like this.
Come on. So let's go for design this spaghetti.
دست بزن. I really don't want to touch so beautiful, but I have to catch.
I forgot something. This food usually ready after 30 minutes.
Ah,
Let's go.
no, I don't want to go. I want to stay here. Very good.
This is Iranian tahdig.
With potato. That's potato. I love it. This is macaron. Mamma mia! Bella macaron.
Spaghetti because I like it.
Yeah, you like that? I like potato.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. Wow.
MashaAllah.
Yeah,
Always,
this is
all the
our
time.
garden salad. So good.
Really?
So good. Yeah, no. No, I want to eat.
Okay.
Yum,
Salad so delicious.
yum,
Oh,
yum.
so.
Very yum.
Look at this tahdig. Wow. I want it all. I want to try just.
Yes, sir.
I want to try just. Look, I want it all.
My mouth is burning with that chili. I want to see.
Look. Look. Oh.